In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set A4 page size in Google Docs. If you need your document to match standard international paper sizing, especially for printing, sharing, or formal formatting, changing the page size to A4 is a quick and useful adjustment. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Start by opening your Google Doc. Make sure you're inside the document where you want to change the page size. This is important because the setting will apply to the document or to a specific part of it, depending on what you choose later. Once your document is open, move to the top menu and click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with several document options, including settings related to printing, layout, and formatting. From that file menu, click on Page Setup. This is where Google Docs lets you control page-related options like orientation, margins, and paper size. If you've never used this menu before, don't worry. It's straightforward once you know where to look. Inside the Page Setup window, look for the Apply to option. Click on it and choose whether you want this change to affect a section or a tab. This matters if your document is divided in a way that lets you apply formatting only to a certain part instead of changing everything. If you want to be precise, take a moment here to select the option that best matches your document layout. Next, find the paper size setting. Click on the drop-down underneath paper size to see the available page size options. Google Docs includes several standard sizes, so be sure to choose the correct one for your needs. From the list, click on A4, which is shown as 21.0 centimeters by 29.7 centimeters. That is the standard A4 size used in many countries for letters, reports, schoolwork, and business documents. Choosing the correct paper size helps ensure your formatting looks right when printed or exported. After selecting A4, click OK to confirm the change. As soon as you do that, your document will update to the new page size. That's all it takes to set your Google Doc to A4. If you're preparing a document for professional use, it's always a good idea to double-check the layout afterward, especially things like page breaks, images, tables, and spacing, since changing paper size can slightly affect how content appears. And if needed, you can always return to page setup later to make further adjustments.